Dear student, I welcome my dear student. I welcome to eSchool YouTube channel. We are seeing math of 8th standard, and in that we are seeing rational and irrational numbers. This is practice set 1.3. Before that, we have seen that we have uploaded the practice set 1.1 and 1.2. So don't forget to see that videos also. So first example is 9 divided by 37. Here we are dividing 9 by 37. So we cannot divide 9 by 37. That's why we have to take a decimal point here. And when we are taking decimal point, this 9 will get converted to 90. Now I have to divide 90 by 37. So 37 twos are 37 twos are is 74. So we have to subtract it. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, so 9 minus 8 sorry is 1, that is 16, because we have to subtract 10 minus 4, and due to the fact of that 9 minus 8 will be there, that is 9 minus 8 is 1, that is 1 6. So we have to again take 0 over here, because we cannot again divide it by 16, so it is 160. So 37 multiplied by 37 forza, so I am writing 37 forza, and that comes out to be 148. So we have to minus it. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, then 6 minus 5 is 1, so it is 12. So again we have to take a 0, so it will become 120. So 37 3 is not, so 37 2 is basically 37 3 37 3 is 7 3 1, 339, 111. So we can divide it by 3, so it comes up to be 111. Again we have to minus it. 10 minus 1 is 9, 2 minus 2 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So again we cannot divide 9 by 37. The same condition repeats over here. The same condition repeats over here. That's why we have to take 0 here. So again it will become 90. And when we are going to divide 90 by 37, it again repeats 2 4 3. So that is the repetitions over here, and so we have to write that 9 by 37 in the decimal form as 0.243, as it is repeating 243, after that it is repeating again 243. That's why we have to put it bar on this, that is called as 243 bar. Second example, that is 18 divided by 42. Again the same condition, we cannot divide 18 by 42. That's why we have to again take a decimal point over here, and when we are taking a decimal point, this 18 will become 180. So now we have to divide 180 by 42, and when we are dividing 180 by 42, we are dividing 180 by 42, that's how we can have to have this 180 divided by 42. If suppose we are simplifying this, if suppose we can simplify it by just 6 sevens are 42 and 6 threes are, so directly you can take 30 divided by 7. Okay, you can take 30 divided by 7. So when you solve this, or you can take directly 180, or this is 18 divided by 42, in order to make you understand more easily. So we can take division of 42 forza, that is 168. Okay, we have to minus it. 10 minus 8 is 2. Again 8 minus 7 is 1. So again we cannot divide 12 by 42. Okay, we cannot 12 by 42, that's why we have to take 0 over here. So 42 2s are 84. Here is 84. Again you have to minus it. 10 minus 4 is 6, and 12 minus 9 is 3, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So again we cannot divide 36 by 42, that's why we have to take it as 0. So it is a 360. So when it get 360, 42 8s are, what is 42 8s are? 8 2s are 16, 1 8 4s are 32 plus 1 33. So it is 336. So it is 8 2s are 16, and 8 4s are 33 plus 133. So it is 336. So what is the division? We are writing here 8. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Again 6 minus 4 is 2, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So again, if suppose we have to divide it 24 by 42, so it is not possible. So we are again taking it as 0. So 42 5s are, so it comes out to be 42 5s are, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 21, that is 210. So it is 210. It is again that we are having a 30. So again, if suppose I have to divide 30 by 42, it is not possible. Then we have to take a 0, that it will become 300. So 42 6 are 42 7s are 42 7s are, that is 7 2s are 14, 7 4s are 28, that is 29, that is 294. So it is 7s are 294. So 10 minus 4 is 6. It comes over here 1. 10 minus 10 is 0. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So it is now 60. 42 ones are 42. So 60 minus 42. So 60 minus 42. 10 minus 2 is 8. And 6 minus 5 is 1. Again we cannot divide that 18 by 42. So now here same condition is repeated here. Whatever will be the first condition, and this is the last condition here, that we cannot divide 42 by 18. So we have to take 0, and the same number will be repeated over here, that is 428571, that will get repeated again. And that's why we have to write the fractional form of 18 by 42 as 0.428571 bar, because it is repeating one, Next example is, we have to see that third example, that is 9 divided by 14. Again condition here, that we cannot divide 9 by 14, so we have to take the decimal point here. So when we are taking decimal point, it will become 90. Okay, when it will become 90, that we have 14 6 are 84. So you have to minus is 10 minus 4 is 6, and 9 minus 9 is 0. Again, we cannot divide 6 by 14, so I am taking it is 0, so it is 60 now. So 14 4s are 56. Okay, and when we are subtracting it, it becomes, again we cannot divide 4 by 14, so it will become 40. So I am just taking it as 14 2s are 28. We have to minus is 10 minus 8 is 2, and 4 minus 3 is 1. Again, we cannot divide 12 by 14, so it will become 14. We will take that 8 4s are 32, 112. 14 8s are 112. So I am taking 112. When we are subtracting 10 minus 2 is 8, it is 0. Again, we cannot divide 8 by 14, so I am taking it 0, that will become 80. So 14 5s are 70, it become 10. Again, we cannot divide 10 by 14, so I am taking it 0. 14 7s are 98, it will become 2. So we cannot divide 2 by 14, again I am taking 0 over here. 14 1s are, so it is subtracting, that is 6. And again 6 divided by 14, it is not possible, so I am taking it as 0. So from this your process gets repeats. Okay, your process gets repeats from here. So whatever will be the uh, 9 by 14, it will get converted to 6428571, that is 0.6428571. It is repeating henceforth, that's why we have to take it as a bar. That is the answer. Then we have to see that fourth example, that is 103 divided by 5. No doubt this is the negative sign. When result will be there, we will add this negative sign to that result. For the sake of our simplification, we are considering that we are dividing this 103 by 5. So 5, if suppose I am just taking it as considerable, that if I am dividing it, I can directly take 25 25 100 is there. Okay, so this will become 3. 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So can we divide 3 by 5? No. That's why we have to take a fractional point over here, and I have to add here 0. So how division will be there? 5 6 are 30. It will be 30. So your division will be 0 0. Subtraction will be 0 0. And your division will end over here. So result of minus 103 by 6, this as a this as we are converting this into the form that is called as minus 20.6. Then we have to see the fifth example, and that fifth example is also having negative sign. We will consider at last that negative sign. We are dividing 11 by 13. So is it possible to divide 11 by 13? So no, we have to take a decimal point, 0 point. So it will become 110. Okay, so when it will become 110, I am just dividing it by 13 8s are. So 13 8s are 104. So it is 104. What is the subtraction? That is 6 will remain. Can I divide 6 by 13? No, again we have to consider it by again taking 0. So 13 fours are 52. What is the remainder? By subtracting 8. It is not possible to divide 8 by 13. So I am taking 0 again. 13 6 are 78. What is the result? That is 2. Okay. So again it is not possible to divide 2 by 13. So I am taking 0 over here. That will become 20. 13 ones are 13. What is the result of subtraction is 7. Again it is not possible to divide 7 by 13. So I am taking 0 additional 0 over here. So 13 5s are 65. Okay. So it become 5. Again it is not possible to divide 5. So I am taking it as a 50. So 13 3s are 39. What is the result of subtraction is 1 1. So here again that our same example that 1 1 is divided by 13. So repetition is there. So same condition occurs over here after that. So we have to stop our division over here. And what is our result? Our result is what? As you see in this video, this is the result where we are reaching to the same condition, that is we are dividing 11 by 13. No doubt sign is negative. So result of minus 11 by 13 is 0.846153. Okay, but it is again repeating the same number, that's why we have to write it as bar. So like that you have to solve all these rational numbers into this fractional form. So if suppose you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe it, share it. We are giving you different videos of 8 maths. Thank you.